Karaoke can be a fun addition to your events and parties. You may find some chupe rustams amongst all your friends, or you may realize that about yourself too. You need the setup to be such that people can see the lyrics and sing along. The list of songs should be never ending. Enough said. In this video, you'll find out everything you need to know to do the setup of karaoke like a pro. Hello and welcome to Bollywood Karaoke. Let's get right to it. Okay, this is what you need. First thing, a smart TV or a phone. Smart TV experience is a lot better than phone. Second thing, you need a Bluetooth speaker. Bluetooth speaker which can take sound input from your TV or phone using Bluetooth and which can take vocal input from a microphone. Third thing, of course, a wireless microphone. Now, wireless microphone is a lot better than a wired microphone because you don't have the risk of the wire coming out of the socket, and also it's a lot easier to move around that area. You can easily pass on the mic to others, so it's just a much better experience. So just go for a wireless mic. Now, to do the setup, first thing is you need to connect your smart TV with the Bluetooth speaker. You can see that this is the Bluetooth speaker I was talking about earlier. And let me turn this around. So it has all these options at the back, and first thing I'll do is I'll switch it on, and then you just need to change the mode to Bluetooth, and now it's ready to be connected from the TV. I'm going to connect the TV to the speaker now. So what you need to do is you just need to go to settings and then click on the sound out option, and then you can choose Bluetooth, select the speaker from the device list. So you may have something slightly different or something similar in your TV. So I can select the speaker now. So that sound indicates that this TV is now connected to the speaker. Second, you need to connect your wireless mic to the Bluetooth speaker. So I just want to show you the microphone and this little dongle that comes with it. So this is what you connect at the back of the speaker. So it goes here, and then you just need to turn it on. And then this is your mic, which you can just switch it on from here, and then it should be connected. Hello. You can see that it's my voice is coming out of the speaker now. So the microphone is now connected. Third, you need to cast YouTube on your phone to your TV. So I've just cast the YouTube on my phone to the TV. There is an option. So when you open YouTube on your phone, you'll see that there's a little option here, this one, which is used to cast to the TV. So basically whatever you were playing on your phone will be played on TV, right? You can basically control it from your phone. And the last thing is just search for Hindi karaoke and the name of the song in YouTube. That's going to return a lot of results. Go for Anil Chauhan's videos. They're really good. They highlight the lyrics, and the music is good. So go for those. Now you're all set. You just need to play the song on TV, start singing. Both the music and your vocals are coming out of the same speaker. It's a much better experience now, and you can start singing. When you just buy the microphone and the speaker, it's possible that you may find it difficult to connect the microphone with the dongle that comes with it. So what you need to do is so this is the slot where you put the batteries. So what you need to do is just open this up, and then you'll see that there's a couple of buttons here. So you just need to press both of those buttons, and that will allow this microphone to be paired with the dongle, and it will make a sound, and you'll be all ready to go. To see the setup in action, just click on this video or one of the videos that comes after this as a recommendation. If you're in Australia, you can pretty easily buy these. I'm going to add links to all of these equipments in the description. There's a store called Jaycar Electronics. I'll add links for that. Obviously it's not, this video is not sponsored by them, but that's where I got it from, and you can easily buy these from there. If you're not in Australia, then you may have to just go through these, and you may be able to buy something similar in your country. At the back of the speaker, there's a few options to adjust the bass, treble, mic volume, and all those things. So you may have to adjust those based on based on how you feel and how the voice is coming out. You may need to adjust the vocals to be slightly lower than the music, or just decide for yourself. Once you start singing, you may realize that you may have to adjust there. So there's a few options at the back of the speaker, so you may need to do a bit of playing around with that. I hope you found the information useful. If you liked the video, please like it, and please consider subscribing to my channel. My channel is new and I'm looking for all the support that I can get. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.